Today I am getting all the way up there to the top of the map. So all you need to do first is find Katana, and I'm just gonna do this quick. Like, you guys don't have to do it my way, but like, this is how I do it. So I jump off here, use dash ability, and I complete that whole part quick. Do that, and then I don't do the second one. Skip again and go up here. Save your Katana ability for up here. And if you don't have that shirt, it's fine, because we are not going. We are going up here. So then, when you pinch climb all the way up here, you want to. Okay. You want to do this with my hands, so that it doesn't get in the way. Jump off, use Katana, and then you can equip the gun. Katana. And yeah, that's how you get up here. So that I can do full range. And yeah, guys, this is how you get up. And then, if you get up here really with any type of weapon, you can jump off, land right here, go to the Katana, and then do this part of a parkour, and have 200 coins, you can buy it, and yeah, guys, that's really how you do it. So, yeah, that's how you get up there. Like, there. So, yeah. Just to show that I'm not lying, this is the whole inside, this is the whole Animal Rivals shooting range, and yeah guys, there you go.